Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The great sage Maitreya told Vidura, when the demigods were thus reassured by the personality of Godhead, they were freed from all fears, and after offering their obeisances, they returned to their heavenly planets. Then the Lord, who is non-different from the Sahasrashesha incarnation, got on the back of Garuda, who carried him to the Madhuvan forest to see his servant Dhruva. The word Sahasrashesha refers to the personality of Godhead known as Garbhodakashayi Vishnu. Although the Lord appeared as Shirodakashayi Vishnu, he has been described here as Sahasrashesha Vishnu because he is non-different from Garbhodakashayi Vishnu. According to Srila Sanatana Goswami in his Bhagavatam Rita, the Sahasrashesha personality of Godhead who appeared at that time was the incarnation known as Prishnigarbha. He created the planet known as Dhruvloka for the habitation of Dhruva Maharaj.